plant of the day today. This is called Agapanthus. I'm not sure of the cultivar. Somebody, I think, gave it to me. Or maybe I picked it up and it was just not tagged. I'm not sure. I can't remember. I don't even remember where it came from. Anyway, Agapanthus is a very nice bulb from South Africa. It needs really good drainage. It's highly drought tolerant, so it can be put into really sandy soil or like a hell strip. As long as it has good drainage, it's totally fine. It will not necessarily perform well with zero nutrition, but that said, it will survive. So I have found it doing really quite well. This is a mixture of manure and clay and just crap soil. There's crap soil right there. You can see it looks like crap. It does get water in my garden because I like to have bulbs look their best, but that doesn't necessarily mean that it needs it. South Africa is, think of it as like Northern California, or Southern California, I should say. So it's quite dry, doesn't get a lot of rain, quite rocky. Anyway, these are a beautiful, tall, elegant, striking bulb. You can get them in a number of different colors, usually blue or white. And some of them have stripes like this one. Some of them are solid colors. Very pretty if you want it to, if you want to have color in the late summer. I would probably think that the deer would not eat it. I haven't put it out front, but I should try just grabbing a bulb from the bottom there and putting it out front because I suspect that they wouldn't eat it. Along with a lot of bulbs, these are probably toxic, but I don't know for sure. You might want to look that up. You can combine it with pretty much anything. Again, just a mixture of like colors of foliage, textures of foliage. That's good. They don't do anything other than, give you this until later in the year. So just bear in mind that you're going to have strappy foliage for most of the year, and then this comes up in August, September-ish, depending on where you are. Bees love it. Hummingbirds love it. Very, very handsome bulb. I don't really know what else to say about it. I'm kind of drawing a blank, actually. I just wanted to show it to you more than anything because it's a really pretty striking bulb. Kind of like an allium. It looks similar to an allium, right? Except that the flowers are a different shape, but same sort of starburst form. Anyway, so yeah, that's the African bulb called Agapanthus.